Hey there everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to fix Halo Campaign Evolved blurry graphics. This will be an easy fix, so follow me step by step. Before we do get into this video, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment down section below, and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. So the first thing that I recommend is by updating your graphics driver. This will be the first step. So if you do have an NVIDIA, this will be the best video for you. But if you have an AMD, this is basically the same step. So on your PC, go to your tray right over here, right click on your NVIDIA settings, and click on NVIDIA app. Once NVIDIA app opens, go ahead and go to drivers and update to the latest version. Once downloaded, go ahead and do the installation process, restart your PC, and launch your game. Next, on your game, right over here on the second one, go ahead and make sure that your display mode is to full screen. It gives the best clarity and avoids input lag. Next, use your monitor's native resolution and set render scale to 100%. Next, disable dynamic resolution, and it can cause blurriness. Turn that off completely. Next, sharpen the image. Increase sharpness for a clearer image. Recommended is 0.50 or 0.70. Next, high textures and anisotropic filtering make the world look more detailed and crisp. Next, these effects can make the game look blurry or soft, so turn off motion blur and film grain. And the next one is use high quality upscaling. It balances the clarity and performance. And then lastly, check Windows settings, enable hardware accelerated GPU scheduling and variable refresh rate. And then once done, go ahead and restart your PC. By the way, to check your Windows settings for hardware accelerated GPU scheduling, just go ahead and type GPU scaling or graphic settings right over here. Type in graphic settings, and as you can see, it is turned on. Once it is turned on, go ahead and restart your PC as it is required. Once done, your game should be fixed with clear graphics. And I hope you guys find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace.